how to download Mass Effect on your computer, on your Windows computer. So first open your Chrome browser and search for Steam. Go to the first result, and from here you need to install tap this install Steam and install Steam, and then you need to install Steam on your device. Yes, next, choose your location and press install, but I am not going to do it because I have done it before. And then Steam will look like this. All right, this is the Steam logo. So for the first time, if you are doing this, then you need to create an Steam account. Right, just create one, and this is the Steam interface. Go to the store, and from the search type Mass Effect, and then this will be the third result. All right, this is the stock one, this is the legendary edition. I'm going to do this for the stock version. All right, Mass Effect, add to cart, and then from here you need to pay this pay the price of the game. Just tap to continue payment, and then you will be able to pay for the game. After that, the game will be on your library somewhere here, and then press the install button and you will be able to play the game. All right, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.